Greetings everyone. My name is Vyomvik Patel
And I'm Shreyash Khan.
and we are from Dur Public School Bhuj here with our project of space transport. So basically what is our project?
In today's world, one of the major problems is pollution. Carbon emissions is one of the biggest contributor to the pollution. To solve this problem, we are here with our project Iron Thrusters.
So here we have made here our focus is to make an ion engine. So here we have some cells and a power module. So what is this? So ions can be used to provide a thrust so that we can move the engine and rotate the machines. It can also be used in rockets, especially in space transport, where like we can ignite these ions, which are basically electrons, to provide a thrust to the rocket. And it is proved too that this ion thruster rockets are 40 times more efficient than the hydrogen oxygen chemical rocket we use in our today's world. And as they run on electricity, we definitely use renewable energy which we produce here on the earth. And electricity is a better way than chemicals, as chemicals are exhaustible natural resources while electricity can be produced by using solar energy, wind energy, hydroelectric energy. And so that's our project.
Our project mainly focuses on space, where there is vacuum and there is no air resistance, so ions can work at their best.
So let's see how it works. So here we have lighted up the candle, and this is a power module which converts the 12 volts from the cells to 1000 kilovolts. So when we bring these two wires together, there is ion exchange between them which displaces the flame and eventually causes it to burn up. As you can see, the flame is displacing and it is moving. So this shows that ions can be used to provide thrust. So that is our main focus on this project, that this thrust provided by ions can be better made on a large scale and used in rockets and to make ion engines on earth. So our project mainly contains some cells, battery container, wires, a boost step up power module which is basically like a transformer, a candle and some waste materials. Okay, so as you can see the power exchange between them, so that is an ion filament, and that is the main focus of our project. So I would like to conclude by saying that this project can be a revolutionary thing in the transport on the earth and especially in the space, and this would be a great step for humankind. Thank you.